Skoda is a brand that's known for its vault-like build quality. But with India 2.0, Skoda was entering new territory with the MQB AOIN, a platform specially developed for India. The platform focused on lower ownership costs with 95% localization. However, would this India-developed platform maintain the same standards of safety like Skoda's international offerings? Well, turns out while Skoda developed the platform for lower cost and with high amounts of localization, the company has maintained the same no-compromise focus on safety. For the Skoda Kushaq has achieved the highest stamp of approval, a full 5 stars in the latest Global NCAP crash test. What's even more impressive is that the Kushaq is the first made-in-India vehicle tested under Global NCAP's newer and more stringent test protocols. It obliterated its competition and other India-made cars with a full 5 stars in adult and child occupant safety. While there have been no dearth of 5-star cars in India under the old protocol, the Kushaq is the only car to score a full 5 for both adults and children. This makes the Kushaq the safest among India-made cars. The Kushaq scored a stellar 29.64 points out of 34 points in the adult occupant protection test and 42 out of 49 points in the child occupant protection test. For the crash test, Global NCAP used the base version of the Kushaq that comes standard with dual airbags, ABS and EBD, ESC, traction control, 3-point rear seat belts, ISOFIX child seat mounts, and more. These tests prove it's not just the airbags or the active or passive safety features in the Kushaq, but the entire platform's crashworthiness and ability to absorb impact played a crucial role in keeping passengers safe. This goes to prove that with the Kushaq, the MQB AOIN platform, the India 2.0 project, Skoda has not compromised on safety and crashworthiness. After all, safety is the one feature that you can never accessorize or fit aftermarket. With these latest crash test ratings, Skoda has proven that safety is at the core of all its engineering and development. With the latest crash ratings, the Kushaq has proven to be the safest car in India with the construction, quality and technology to let you protect what matters.